toxic things you said about Roseburg. They still let you back in?
They still let me back in.
Are you on film now?
Yeah, you are on film, buddy.
I didn't.
Let me see those hands again. Hell on now.
So we've arrived in Roseburg, Oregon for the annual Graffiti Night Cruise. It's been about 10 years since I've been down here for the full event, and we've actually made it to the beginning of the cruise, which is about to begin. And I believe it's about 800 cars this year, so we're pretty excited about it.
Should be fun.
Any thoughts, Lola?
It's nice and gorgeous. It's not raining, so I'm just happy to be
Sunny
here.
day once again, so here we go. I am riding with an awesome guy right here named Russ Wilson in his sweet ride.
58 Bel Air.
58 Bel Air, baby. And he has given Duke a ride. So
I think we left Lola behind.
Yeah, we did leave Lola behind. She's not going to be super thrilled, but she'll deal. Fun, Lola?
Yeah, I did.
Did you get lost?
No.
No?
Didn't look the cars. How are you, Russ?
Good.
Searching, I'm always looking, searching for the place to call my home. I love you, baby, and I always will, but I've got to know what's over that hill. I brought you grief and I've caused you shame. You should have never let me change your name.
Hi, and what is your name?
Russell Johnson,
And where are you from?
Roseburg, Oregon.
Roseburg, Oregon. It is a sweet ride.
Thank you.
What have we got here?
It's a 1931 coupe.
1931 coupe. And
Yep,
what?
with a blonde 383 in it.
3 and 3?
383?
383. Sorry, it's a little loud with all the engines next to us.
It is.
It is a beauty.
Thank you.
And are you having a good time?
I'm having a great time.
There you go. Thanks, man. Are you guys having a good time?
Well, I'm not from the city, baby, I'm not from the town. I'm just a poor old country boy just trying to get around the city rock. But it's rock tonight. Well, come on over, baby, city rock tonight. I love you, baby, love you. Well, kiss you, baby, kiss you. Let hold you, baby, hold you. Yes, love you, baby, love you. Well, come on over, baby. We'll rock tonight.
Yeah, baby.
Well, all I used to do was sit around and worry.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Fantastic.
And this lovely lady has given us a ride in her sweet car here at the cruise. We're pretty excited. I know Lola's excited.
Yes,
we haven't
my
seen
friend
this.
Jamie.
We haven't seen her in 19 years. So here we are in her sweet ride.
24 years.
So tell us about your ride, Jamie.
This is a 1950 Chevy Fleetline. My husband found it in blackberry bushes about 10 years ago, and he's rebuilt it from scratch.
Nice, nice,
It's
nice.
amazing.
And are you having a good time here at the cruise?
I'm having a blast. I love
having
driving.
a blast. There you go. Most of them stop me though and say, "Are you Duke?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And they're like, "Yeah, I thought so because I recognize Lola." So just say it.
And that was Graffiti Weekend.
That was Graffiti Weekend. We had a really good time, as always. That's an event that we love to go down to in our old hometown. We don't like to talk about too much.
We love our hometown.
We do love our hometown.
We love our new town too, so it's all good.
There you go. It's a lovely little trip down there. I recommend it to everyone. There are over 3,000 cars going on in that county during the event, sometimes up to 4,000 cars. For the cruise itself, it's only about 800 or so, but there's a show and shine going on, which we've done another video about every single time. There's also a cruise out at the Winston area. There's another cruise out in the Winchester area. And there's another cruise going on in the Sutherland area that I know of. Oh, there's also Seven Feathers Gaming Casino has a cruise going on, and the fairgrounds. So it's at least 5 different cruises, show and shines, and events going on all at the same time in that county. Some of them more restrictive than others, and that is put on by the Umpqua Flatheads. Umpqua Indians is what they're named after. But it's a pretty fascinating event. Been going on since 1982.
Fascinating.
So, fascinating. It's always cool to like go down to this little town and see cars from like Florida and California and Arizona and all the sunny states basically. They're always there representing with their ride. So cheers to them.
Cheers.
Did I say cheers?
Cheers.
Cheers. So what is your favorite thing about Graffiti Weekend, Lola?
I like to see the cars moving. So I enjoy a cruise because it's nice to see them moving, to hear them. They're loud, they're fun. People get dressed up to drive their cars around, which is pretty fun. We got to ride in a car, which was awesome.
Got to ride in a couple cars?
Couple cars, yeah.
Good time.
That's a blast. And it's fun, of course, meeting people and talking to them about their cars. So passionate.
This is probably our last car event of 2016. This was filmed back in July, almost 4 months ago, and we've just been hanging on to it for a while. We didn't want to put out every single car video back to back to back to back, or it's been forever. So in a week and a half, we're going to Los Angeles, California.
We are. We're going to Long Beach.
The sun. You can probably tell from our moods, we're probably a little bit less chipper than our normal crazy selves. It's the constant rain here in Oregon. It starts to wear on one.
It's daunting.
It's daunting.
It's daunting.
So we're going back to the sun, the shine, and the amazingness. We're going to be going to a burlesque and punk rock festival. So we will be making a video of that, which should be good times.
The boom, bang, bash.
The boom, the bang, and the bash. So if you are in the Los Angeles, Long Beach area and you want to see 2 goofy people who make silly videos on YouTube, hey, come hit us up. We'll probably be there somewhere. So with that in mind, thank you so much. I had a lovely time. One more cheers.
I had a lovely time too. Oh, well, of course.
Au revoir to a long summer of car shows.
Yes.
And events. Looking forward to 2017. Like I said, we're going to be probably releasing at least 2, if not 3 videos when we go down. We're going to be going to Tiki Lounges in Los Angeles, making some videos of that. We're going to be staying at on the Queen Mary, the vintage traveling ship, I guess, the cruise ship.
It's a hotel.
Yeah, it's
in a ship.
Used to be a cruise line, so we're going to stay on that. And then
I don't think it travels. I think it just sits there.
And then, of course, our favorite event of all December is coming up, the Santa Pub Crawl.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Lola dressed up like a Santa.
We have a blast. There are a gazillion Santas there. And
400.
You can't be sad if there's that many Santas.
You can't be sad with that many Santas. It's that crazy. So, thank you so much.
Don't sit on our lap though. They try to get you to sit on their lap.
They try to get Lola to sit on their lap.
They're not professionals.
They're not professionals. So thank you so much. Once again, we make these videos so you can sit at home and lounge and enjoy them if you were not able to make it to the event. But we do encourage you to go check out the events. Have a great time.
Bye.
Au revoir.